I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I live in Austin, Texas, and we are crazy about breakfast tacos here. You can find them in food trucks all over town and even inside some gas stations, made to order.
Today I'm making some spicy chorizo breakfast tacos. They're easy to make, they taste great, and they're right here on Austin Eats. I frequently use bacon when I'm making breakfast tacos at home, but for these tacos I decided to buy some chorizo, simply remove the skin and pan fry it until it was done. Now it can be a little difficult to determine when chorizo is fully cooked because it doesn't really change color as it cooks like ground beef does. So just make sure it's fully cooked before you make your tacos. The other ingredient that appears in most of my breakfast tacos are breakfast potatoes. There's nothing special about these. They're just chunks of red potatoes that are simply seasoned with salt and pepper, and it adds a crunch factor that I just love in a breakfast taco. I typically prefer fresh corn tortillas whenever I'm making tacos, but not so much with breakfast tacos. I prefer fresh flour tortillas for breakfast tacos, and these are made fresh in my local market every single day. Just heat them up, scramble some eggs, and you're ready to make some chorizo breakfast tacos. Top them with a little queso fresco and some sliced jalapeno, and you've got a wonderful hot breakfast. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.